Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pankaj English Center. Today I will tell you about English journey. What will be your English journey that you can be a successful English speaker? Your journey will be very simple. You are thinking like that it will never be possible for you because you know very well that who wants to do something different work, they will have to face different type of problem. You will have to also face some problem if you want to participate in this journey. Your journey is the journey. I have to also face many problems. After that, I will get chance to speak English. So definitely you will have to also face some problem to do this thing. As you know that if you want to watch any English speaking video that you will get some point, you should also keep your mind very silent to listen very carefully that what someone is saying you. And if you make habit that to listening something which is someone is good and this is not good, you will have to know this idea that how to different such thing. It will very helpful for you that if you know how to do this work. So this is the matter I want to say today, that if you are starting your journey, definitely you should not stop doing this. And if you think that if you have only practice some days and after that you don't want to participate to speak, that you need participation party, that this will never be possible for you. In spite of you'll have to do this thing. Means if you do not get a partner to speak English, you should not forget that you are the partner who can speak yourself. You just stand any place and you start thinking in English, and you just try to uh, think that what will be my good point to speak long time, and you can speak yourself if you try to do this thing. Some days you will have to face some problem that you will not get good point, and your mind will not work behind it. As you know that you are getting some good point, that you should do this work, you should not do this work, you should not understand about that you cannot do this work, you can do everything if you want to do. So that type of positive thing you will have to keep in your mind, and you do not try to speak so fast, you just try to speak slowly, and it will be very simple. You just try to speak simple, that will be good for you, that the other people can understand that what are you saying to someone. So it will be very beneficial for you, and all people will like your speaking, that this is very good thing, whatever he is saying it is very beneficial for others, and other people would like to listen your thought. Okay, let me tell about the good point. What is will be good point for you, that if you want to speak English, just you say small sentences first time, and you should speak very slowly. You should try to that you do not do much mistake, and if you do some mistake, you should not fear to make mistake. You should mistake, but you should not remove your mistake, it will not good for you. Whenever you start speaking, start time you just try to speak correct, but you will never be possible that you can make correct sentences. You will get mistake, but you just try to that you will not do much mistake. This is the good thing you should keep in your mind, and slowly you will remove your mistakes, and your mouth will be also open to say something, and whatever you want to say first time, just try to say simple sentences. Go, come, listen, stand, switch off the fan, like that. So simple English you should speak at home, that anyone can understand very easily. So this type of participation you should do, and you should make environment in at your home, that there are many people. If you speak English every day, that other people can also understand. Maybe that maybe that someone will not understand that what are you saying. You should also uh, give some point. You should also indicate that I am saying you such thing. If someone is not understanding that what are you saying to someone, so whenever you will indication to someone, definitely they will understand very easily that actually what someone is saying you. So you should just do whatever you can do to make environment at your home. So it will be beneficial for you that if you make environment at your home, that you will not have to go to other places to find any partner to speak English. So you just think that if you do not get such environment, you just make environment yourself. You just stand and mirror and you start saying something. You just look your face, that what are you saying, that your face is also very important to other people, that your face is smiling or not smiling. This will be also important for you.